Today we are going to see the ninth chapter, that is HCF and LCM. Divisor and dividend. See, in the empty boxes, write the proper words: dividend, divisor, question, and remainder. In the empty boxes, you can see the side when there is a division, and they have given a boxes. Okay. In the first, if you will see in your textbook, in the first picture also they have given, but it is an answer that to which number we will say the dividend, divisor, question, and remainder. Okay. So in division there are four numbers which we have given them a name. Okay. Now see here. The four is known as a divisor. Okay, this you have to remember. The division outside the number by which we are dividing it, it is known as a divisor. Okay, जो number से हम divide करते हैं, that is known as a divider. And which number we are dividing, that is known as a dividend. That is known as a dividend. Okay, that number is known as a dividend. And the answer which we are getting, okay, this is the answer which we are getting. So this is known as a question. That is known as a question. And the remaining number, okay, ये जो number हमारा last में बच जाता है, you all know how to divide. जो last का number हमारा बच जाता है, that is known as a remainder. That is known as a remainder. Okay. It is clear to you all of you now. Divisor by which number we are dividing. Dividend, which number we are dividing. Okay. And by which number we are dividing, that is divisor. Okay. Remainder मतलब जो number divide करने के बाद when we are minus. Okay. When we minus the number and the number we get. Okay. Remaining number, that is known as a remainder. Okay. That is known as a remainder. And question that we get the answer on the upside that we are writing by कितने जा जो हम लिखते हैं, that is 2 2s are 4 5s are, that 5s are 9s are, that we are writing here, that is known as a question. Okay. Up 9, that is known as a question. Now it is clear to all of you. Okay. So see here. What is the number that is 4 divided by 36? Correct? Sorry, 36 divided by 4. Correct? Now you will write 4 9s are 36. Correct? 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay? So what is this? When we divide 36 by 4, see here it is given. When we divide 36 by 4, okay, the remainder is 0. When we have divided this number, the remainder is 0. Okay, remainder is 0. Therefore, 4 is a factor of 36. Therefore, 4 is a factor of 36 and 36 is a multiple of 4. यानी के 4 जो है 36 का factor है. It means factor means what? This number 36 is divided in 4 table. It means 36 is coming in 4 table. Okay. 36 जो है 4 के टेबल में आता है. That means it is a factor of 4. Okay. 36 is a factor of 4. Sorry, 4 is a factor of 36. Okay. Factor means क्या? For example, अब यहाँ पे मैंने 20 दी. Okay. So 20 is going in 2 table. Yes, 2 tens are 20. So 2 is a factor of 20. Okay. 2 is a factor of 20. And 20 will be the multiple. 2 tens are बोली ना मैंने, तो it means we are multiplying. So 20 is a multiple of 4. Okay, it means 36 is divisible by 4. Clear? If it is not clear, in the next example, it will be clear. Okay. Now see the next question. Sixty-five divided by 9. Okay. Now 65 divided by 9. In 9 table, 65 is going. Come on, write down in the chat box. In 9 table, 65 is going. 63 is going. Less than 65, which number will we will take? 65 से छोटा नंबर कौन सा जाता है 9 के टेबल में? Which number is going in 9 table less than 65? Okay, 63. How many tens are 63? Okay, 9 sevens are 5 minus 3, 2. This minus 6, 0. Now here you will say me which is the divisor? Which number is the divisor? Okay, very good. 9 is the divisor. And a dividend, which number is a dividend? Very good. Okay. Question, which number is a question? Very good. Okay, I'm writing only Q. And a remainder. Very good. 2 is a remainder. Okay. Now what? Now see here. In this picture, we got the factor of 36. That is 4 is a factor of 36. Correct? But here the remainder is 2. Correct? Remainder क्या है हमारा? 2. It means that 9 is not a factor of 65. 9 is not a factor of 65. Okay? We didn't get the remainder 0. We get the remainder 2. It means that 9 is not the factor of 65. Clear to all of you? Come on, write down in the chat box. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Factor means understood that number is going in which table. That is known as a factor. Okay. Okay. Here I have given the second question answer. That is 65 by 9. The remainder is not 0. The same it is written. See, a remainder is not 0. Therefore, 9 is not a factor of 65. Okay. Now next, here we have to remove the common factors list. Okay, here we have to remove the common factors list. One example is given, that is 36 and 46. Okay, 36 and 48. Just wait a minute. To do here, the question is the 36 and 48. Okay, this is the question. Now we have to remove the common factors. So first you will write factor of 36. Okay, now what is the factor of 36, that we will see. Factor of 36 means which 36 is going in which table. Okay, one is the factor of all the numbers. Okay, one is the factor of all the numbers. Why? Because all the numbers is going in one table. Okay, so we will write 1. First, in every factor you will write 1. Okay, now we will see from 2. Is 2 is 36 is going in 2 table? No, 36 is not going in 2 table. See here, 2 and 36. Okay, 2 ones are 2 minus 3 minus 2, 1. And we will take 6 here. 2 8s are 16. 0 0. Okay, it means 36 is going in 2 tables. So we will write here 2. Next 3. In 3 tables 36 is going. Let's see. 3 ones are 3. 0 and 6 we will take downside. 3 twos are 6. Again 0. It means 3 also is a factor of 36. So we will write here 3. Okay. Next we will take 4. 4 is going in 36 table. 36 is going in 4 table. Let's see. 3 is smaller than 4, so we will take 2 number, that is 36. So 36 kitne are 4? Come on, write down. Yes, 36 9s are 36. It means 4 is also a factor of 36. Next we will take 5. 5 is going in 36 table. Sorry, 36 is going in 5 table. No, we all know. 6, we will take 6. Hmm. 3 is more than 6, so we will take 2 number, that is 36. 36, how much, sir? 36. 6 kitne are 36? Very good. 6, 6 are 36. It means 6 is also a factor of 36. Okay. Next, in 7 table, 36 is going. No. In 8 table, 36 is going. Yes, 6 6 हो गया.